Tomorrow will mark 10 years since a devastating and deadly flood in downtown Ellicott City. 6 inches of rain fell in just 2 hours, killing 2 people and causing extensive damage in the historic district. Some businesses never reopened while others rebuilt. Howard County community reporter Dennis Valera talked to a business owner who says he'll never leave Main Street.
In my time covering Howard County, I run into many people here in Old Ellicott City telling me they are worried whenever it rains, especially as bad as it did Tuesday night. Worried Main Street could become a raging river, just like it did in 2016 and 2018. But that's not the case for the owner of the wine bin.
I think I'm one of those rare people in town that I don't have PTSD when it rains.
Dave Carney says while rain doesn't freak him out, there's still a little concern for the lower part of Main Street. On that night in 2016, he remembers the water rising fast.
I didn't realize, just it was weird what was happening, and I just jumped into a cherry tree. I was standing next to a cherry tree, and I lifted myself up. And the next thing I look, and the dumpsters are floating, and cars are floating, and I mean, everything was just devastation.
There's people in the water!
6 inches of rain was all it took to fill Old Ellicott City with dangerous flood water. 2 people ended up dying. Heather Owens lost her fiancé.
I made it out, but the person I love, Joe, did not.
In April, Owens spoke about the importance of the Ellicott City Safe and Sound Plan. Introduced in 2018, it's a series of projects aimed to prevent a devastating flood from happening again. Excavation for the plan's marquee project, the North Tunnel, officially began in June. Slated to be done by fall 2027, it'll be able to carry 26,000 gallons of water per second.
This tunnel is more than a project. It represents action, it represents listening, it represents a commitment to protect lives and to make sure what happened to us is never forgotten.
3 of 5 flood retention ponds are done. Other aspects of the plan, like these signs, can be seen around Old Ellicott City.
A lot of us are very resilient.
Carney recently opened a new restaurant called Vesper on Main Street, something he's wanted to do for years. He admits he'd like to see safe and sound progress come faster, but no matter what, he'll be in Old Ellicott City.
I don't think I can move away. I think this is kind of my home. So for me, I'm going to fight to stay.
Reporting on your corner in Ellicott City, I'm Dennis Valera for WJZ.